Hey, Bobby.
I mean, I couldn't really make a giant mosquito on here, but dude, oh my god, the butterfly. I'm doing this butterfly. I'm doing this butterfly for sure.
LMFAOOO.
Look at that cute ass butterfly. I'm not gonna do the wings like that.
Brick, yeah, dude.
The top one is so cute.
Him try.
The top one? You mean this one? He's pretty thick. It's just hard because it's kind of like if I painted him on here, it would just be like a green blob in this guy. The butterfly is like the butterfly is top tier though. I have to do that.
Caterpillars turn into butterflies, so in a way, is saying kebab BZ is the caterpillar is an act of kindness.
Honestly, that's what I've been trying to say this entire time, Tom, and she doesn't seem to understand. We're literally trying to compliment you, kebabs. She gets angry about it. She just doesn't get it, dude.
Butterflies are wonderful.
True, dude. Okay, let's
you can stay a worm.
Let's get the face on here. Anybody want some of this paint water? Yo, am I still under?
I love kebabs.
Oh, seriously, Suzanne?
Can I chug paint water?
I don't know if it's safe to chug, but maybe like a tiny sip. Probably not chug though. What do I do with the rest of this? What do I do with the rest of this tomato, dude?
Wait, you were in America, right?
Yes.
I am Panda. Wait, let me change
Hey, Bobby Z, so you happy now you a butterfly?
The hungry caterpillar got invited to this. I want a butterfly tat. Come to Canada, meet me in Toronto, and we'll go hit up some chicks at Fan
Expo. I might be in. I think I might be in Toronto soon.
The cake philosopher, a sewing needle and a bit of ink, and I can sort you out.
Like maybe?
So many Canadians.
Igloo squad check.
Squad check. Wait, Mako, are you Igloo Squad? I always kind of forget.
Oh, I don't live there. I am just wanting to go to the convention center in August.
Canadians.
Oh, you don't? Oh, in August? I won't be there in August.
Hungry caterpillar, mate. It's an hour drive.
Florida rang with mommy feet.
That one looks, yeah, that's the hung. Yo, true. Big ol', yo, guns. Guns gets it. Guns gets it, dude.
Hour drive.
Dude, I just washed this off, but I need to do like cake. How do I make it look thick like yours? Like I want the circles to be bigger, but like I don't want to mess it up.
This bot can't say numbers.
7.
Get on my level. IDKY, I'm mad, I sorry.
Is it, you think it's too late to like make some of this? I want it to be like, cause
oh no, it's refusing to say numbers again.
Should I just go with it? Wait, it is? The green circles.
Oh, no, it's not.
No, numbers are fixed.
Make her wide. She's fine, IMO.
777 quintillion 777 quadrillion 777
Where the hell's my black paint at,
trillion
dude?
777 billion.
Oh, dude. Tom. Tom fucking breaking it, dude.
God damn it, kebabs.
That is the shed.
I don't know where that bottle of the black that I had. Marineland? Oh, in Toronto?
I wanna go back to the Lego store.
Cat jam.
Dude, where the hell is the...
OMG, all that pain.
In Niagara Falls. Marineland.
At the bottom of the bag, dude. Of
And
course.
the sea flaps.
Fuck Marineland. They abuse their animals, Angry Pepe.
I wouldn't doubt it, dude. Is that like SeaWorld? It's probably like SeaWorld, right?